Frank Farmer Chevrolet.
All right, Paducah, Charles Townsend, Frank Farmer Chevrolet. You want some deals? We got them, Paducah. Come on. You want four-wheelers? We got them. You want motorcycles? We got them. Come on here. You want a Durango? It's yours for $900. Come and get it. You want a Trailblazer 02? It's yours for $800. Come and get it, Paducah. You want a Mitsubishi? Come and get it, Paducah. It's yours for $21.52. Come and get it. You want 012s, Corollas? Come and get them, Paducah. We got them all. We got Toyotas. We got Maximas. We've got 2012 Dodges, Avalanches. We've got Volkswagen Jettas. You want Mitsubishis? We got Mitsubishis. You want Maximas? We got Maximas. You want to save thousands at Frank Farmer Chevrolet? Come and get your Maximas. All of them save thousands. Cruises, you name it. We've got truckloads of them here at Frank Farmer Chevrolet.